Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you the next two drawers of my closet. Part of my closet. The first part I have already covered in my previous video. Here I have kept all my skincares. So firstly I will start with this part. This is my favorite section. As you can see, I have all my body mist here. This is from Victoria's Secret. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is from Victoria's Secret. This is from Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. This is from Body Shop. This is from Nykaa. This is from Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. This is from Body Cupid. I mostly have all my body mist either from Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret. Now coming to this part of the section, here I have all my body lotions. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is a warm vanilla sugar. This is from Nykaa. This is from Lakme. This is from Body Shop. This is a shea butter one. This is also from Bath and Body Works. This is my favorite. This is a body lotion which I got from Bali when I visited last year. This is from Vaseline. This is from Nivea, and this is also from Nivea. In this part I have kept all my contact lenses. These are my contact lenses. These are the eyelashes, eyelash glue, my solution. This is the eyelash curler. Some more contact lenses which I have not yet used. These are also eyelashes from PAC. Here I have kept all my eyeshadow palettes. These are from NYX. These two are from Maybelline. These two palettes are from Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Gold palette. This is the Desert Dusk palette. This is from Makeup Revolution. These two are also from Makeup Revolution. These two are the eyelash by Rufa Beauty. Now the next part which I'll be showing you is the skincare part. This is the aloe vera gel from Innisfree. This is the toner by Plum. This is the makeup remover by Face Shop. This is the cleaning moisture surge. This is the serum by Dot & Key. This is a face pack by Just Herbs. This is a face serum by Face Shop. This is a calendula range. This is the Kama Ayurveda Nimra Anti-Acne Face Pack. This is the best one for acne. This is a skin brightening treatment by Kama Ayurveda. This is the Plum Night Cream Gel. This is my favorite one. I have almost finished 2 tubs. This is the Plum Face Pack. This is the Biotic Anti-Acne Face Pack. This is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. This is from L'Oreal. This is the Mama Earth Sleeping Mask. This is the Dot & Key green clay mask. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. This is the Kama Ayurveda Intensive Hair Treatment. This is the Innisfree Sleeping Pack. These two are the Night and Day Cream by Lakme 95. This is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is the Super Light Gel by Pond's. This is my favorite ones. This is the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Aqua Balm. I also have a serum from their range. This is a Land Solution by Bosch and Lomb. This is a dry shampoo by Dove. I generally use this when I skip my regular shampoo. I bought this organizers from Amazon. These little organizers, these are quite handy and you can keep any stuff here. Like I have organized all my skincare, mist and everything separately. In this part I have kept all my minis and my sunscreens. This is by Mamaearth. The sunscreen is from Plum. The Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen. These are the mini ones which I have got. This is by Plum. This is the Face Shop White Seed range. These are the serum. This is a hand cream by Forest Essentials. These are the Innisfree green tea serum. Here I have kept all my Body Shop lip balms. Some are from Maybelline's, some are from Wet n Wild. So this is it for the second closet. Now moving on to the third drawer. Here I have kept all the random stuffs which I rarely use. I have kept all the electronics and my hair curler and hair straighteners, and some of them are hair products and some of them are skincare too. These are the hair serum by L'Oreal. This is from Strix. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is the Bio Oil. This is a face serum by face mist by Plum. This is the Kaya Acne Free Toner. This is the hair setting spray. This is again a dry shampoo by Be Blunt. This is a heat protecting spray. These two are the face pack from Biotic. Moving on to this part now. This is a hair curling mousse by Vella. This is a Wow face mist tonic. This is a hair serum by L'Oreal. This is a sunscreen by Lakme. This is a face wash by Clean and Clear. This is a Jovis bridal brightening face mask. This is also a face mask. This claims to be the world's most powerful facial. It is used for deep pore cleansing. This is also a makeup remover by L'Oreal. These two are the facial wipes by Kaya. Here I have kept all my nail paints. These are all the face sheet mask. Some are from Tony Moly, some are from Nykaa. These are all from Face Shop. This is a nose strip. This is a body butter by M Caffeine. I have bought this with the M Caffeine scrub. These are all the beauty blenders. I have not used them yet. In this part I have kept all my electronics, my straightener, curler, hair dryer. This is a face trimmer. This is the pore cleansing device. This is the Elantroman hair curler. This is also the Havel's chopstick curler. So that is it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell next right to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a new video. Bye.